Today is Christmas Eve and I just got back from the grocery store. It is 10:42 right now, and I have so much stuff to do today. So every year my best friend throws a Christmas party for us all on Christmas Eve, and we all go drink, have fun, exchange gifts and stuff. And today I am in charge of, well, this year I'm in charge of like the little dessert station. So I'm gonna do something simple. We're just gonna do a cheesecake. And then I'm going to do cookies and like little brownies so people can decorate them themselves. So I got like all the stuff when I went to Rouse just now. So I have to make the cheesecake. I probably make the cookies because I'm not making the cookies from scratch. I just bought, the ones that are frozen. So I'm going to probably do those at the house when I get there. But I have to make the cheesecake now because the cheesecake takes a long time to set. So I'm about to do that, and then I have to make my sweater. So it's an ugly Christmas party sweater, you guys. So every year we've been doing this for years, and it's so funny because it started off with just 4 of us, and now it's like gonna be like 40-50 people tonight. So crazy where time goes. But yeah, I have to make my sweater because I wasn't going to make one at first because we can never participate in it. The 4 of us that are dancing in the beginning of the video, those are my best friends, you guys, and we never get to participate in it. Originally, of course, because it was just us, but now because it's so many people, they kind of exclude us, like you guys don't count. So I wasn't going to make one, but then we went to the mall yesterday and I found this like green fuzzy sweater that kind of reminds me of the Grinch. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. I'm going to attempt to turn, it's like a sweater dress. I got it from Forever 21 because they was having 50% off everything because the store is closing. So yeah, I'm going to try to turn that into like the Grinch's face. That's my goal today. I have to do my hair too because I just put this on to go to the grocery store, y'all, like ball cap. I don't have my wig on. So I have to do that today. Make the cheesecake. I have to do that today. Make the cheesecake. I'll do the cookies at the house and the little station at the house. I have to get dressed, make my sweater, and I think that's it. So I'm gonna start off with doing the cheesecake now. So let's get started.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So I got my other wig on, and this is like cool enough for me to touch and be able to put it in the refrigerator. So for the topping, I'm going to do a half a cup of sour cream and then 2 teaspoons of sugar, whip it together and just spread it on top, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator. It is 250. It starts at 7, so that's about 4 hours, which is perfect. And it'll probably be longer than that because I didn't even measure. It'll probably be longer than that because people don't eat desserts right away. You know, we have to eat our food first and exchange gifts and stuff. So perfect timing. Now we chill. Okay, y'all, so now my hair is almost done. The cheesecake is pretty much done. And now I just have to do my makeup and make my sweater. So this is the dress that I got from Forever 21. It's actually really cute. I should probably try it on. But it reminded me of the Grinch because it's fuzzy and it was only $15. So it's supposed to be an ugly Christmas sweater. So it's okay if it doesn't look too cute because I don't really know what I'm about to do. So I want to do like his face. Like just like the eyeballs up here, the mouth right here. And then I'm going to use this as his nose. So I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use that as the nose. And then this is leftover Halloween stuff. So I'm going to use this for the eyes, this for the mouth. And then I'm going to try to get this little Santa hat off. And I'm going to like put it right there. If not, I'm going to just put my real Santa hat on me. But let me see if I can get this off. Cool. Got my little hat. And I'm going to glue. This is also from Halloween. The polyfill. I'm going to glue this around the bottom and maybe around here. Where's my glue gun, y'all? I don't have nothing out. Okay, so this is the dress. It's definitely shorter than I thought. So I'm going to have to figure out some type of legging situation to go under here, some type of shorts. But yes, I want to put the eyeballs like on my boobs, and then the smile part, the mouth is going to be like by belly button. You can see all of this. This is weird. My belly button. And then for the nose, I'm going to put it right in the middle. And then for my eyebrows, or for his eyebrows, I'm going to cut off these little things because his eyebrows are bushy. Even though it's a different color, I think it should still be okay. So let's get started. So the eyeball somewhere here. And then the mouth somewhere there. I'll wait for the nose. So I'm looking at the pictures and his eyes are yellow. But they're kind of shaped like little ovals. So I have yellow spray paint. And I left my paint at Skylar's house. Wait. Okay, so I do have paint. So I have these little Wet n Wild paint kits that they sent me for Halloween. Okay, I have a little beat up sponge. It's working.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
This is how the sweater came out, you guys. It came out so cute. I'm proud of myself. But I am all ready to go. Got my gifts to exchange with my girls. Game. I got all of the desserts and stuff are in the kitchen, already in the bag. I think that's it. I just need my jacket, my purse, and it's time to head out. Station. Where you go?
Take a picture. What's the video?
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been wrong to pull you close. Forget about everything else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Oh yeah, I only got 3%.
Where the charger?
In my purse.
Oh yeah. This one. Somebody give me a speech?
No.
That was the best answer I could get.
Alright, we good?
Come on, y'all.
Alright.
Happy holidays!
Who's taking it though?
God damn it, Lasha.
You feel it? God damn.
I'm a disgusting.